How's it going, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video. Today I'll be showing you this pretty cool Emerson Electric all metal box fan. I got this from a good buddy of mine a couple weeks ago and finally getting around to make a video of it. This thing's in pretty mint shape. Could use a little bit of cleaning, but I might work on that this week. There's the back of the fan. It's in pretty good shape. Even the cord's in good shape too. Alright, start off on high. It's a pretty good air mover. Moves a lot of air. And it's not that loud either. Alright, let them low. Pretty nice low speed. Now we'll turn it off. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later.